Shokran today nje ayami mnandi, happy Sunday. Ngiyathemba ukuthi usasiphethe kahle. There's this thing abantu abanokisho ukuthi amagay anemali, amawigay. Do you know why these people they are so successful? And it is something I've been analyzing and you know what? No, man, akusi magic. It's not like labantu they are different than other people. It's not like labantu there's a ritual that they are doing for them to become successful. Cha. Yazi labantu laba they are more confident in a way they don't allow the world to distract them. If they believe into something, they go for it. They don't care ukuthi wena ucabangani. They don't care ukuthi for them ukwenza leyo nto uzobahlamuka cha. They always go for what they want. And they don't care ukuthi umhlaba ubabuka kanjani. They don't ask for anyone's validation ukuthi okay, lento engifuna ukuyenza ngabe right noma wrong. They always go for what they want. And I believe ukuthi that's what makes them more successful than other people. Why thina singabonile kubona sibonele sihle. I'm not saying shintani nibe ngamagay nani or nibe ngama-lesbian cha. But what I'm trying to say is that if you believe into something, why don't you go for it? Why for you ukuthi pursue whatever that you think is right for wena udinga ukwazisa omunye umuntu ukuthi lento yenza is right? Why do you care enough ukuthi abantu bazothini if you believe ukuthi leyo nto leyo can change your life? I think it is time for us ukuthi instead of criticizing or blaming other people, I think it is time for us to learn from them. Because I believe that there's a lot to learn from these people. Because for me, I think they have great examples of how to do izinto for us to be successful. If you can start today, believe into whatever is right for Tina, I think we can be wherever we think we can be, or we can get whatever we think we deserve. Let's learn to believe in ourselves. Let's learn not to wait for other people's opinions for us to do what we think is right. Asidingi validation yabantu. Siyazazi ukuthi sifunani. Asikholelwe kuthina. Let's raise vibration yethu. Let's erase that negativity that is leading us into, I don't know ukuthi umgodo ungakanani la isibheka khona kodwa nje ukhulu ngoba ngesikwazi ukukhuluma. I'm only saying this because I care and I'm one of those people. I believe ukuthi nami if ngiyalibona iphutha and I'm willing to change, now you can do the same. Ngiyakuthanda othami, believela kuwena, thembela kuwena, and believe ukuthi you can change your situation.